Om. Namo Namah. Gita's Lessons for Life. Number 4-3. Enhance Shraddha with Satvikam Danam. By S. L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Tuesday, July 28th, 2020. In number 4-1 and 4-2, about enhanced Shraddha, faithfulness, there have been study of Yajna and Tapansi. Before proceeding further, let us revise the 7-point code for Param Shreya, for most exalted life. 1. Strive to be clean of all vices, what is detailed as Asuri Sampat in 16th chapter, somewhat summarized in 18-53. Cultivate virtues, Daivi Sampat, C. A. 12-13 to 12-19, A. 13-7 to 13-11, E. 16-1 to 16-3, E. 18-42 to 18-44. Some virtues repeat in these four lists, and actually antonyms of virtues are vices. Try to transcend virtuosity, gunatitata also. See 14-22 to 14-26. Enhance Shraddha, faithfulness, by practicing sacrificial rituals, yajnaha 17-11, austerity, tapaha 17-14 to 17-17, philanthropy, danam 17-20, observing and imbibing the philosophy of Om Tat Sat 17-23 to 17-27. Cultivate organs to stay steadfast against the inflictions by senses. Indriyarthebhyah indriyani sarvashah nigruhitavyan, and strive for Brahmi Sthiti 2-55 to 2-72. Live all life as offerings unto him 9-34. Cultivate self-sameness with the entire creation Atmaupamyam Sarvatra 6-32. Of the above, we are discussing point number 4. The 11 shlokas mentioned in number 4 are about Satvikaha Yajnaha 17-11, austerity Tapaha 17-14 to 17-17, philanthropy Danam 17-20, observing and imbibing the philosophy of Om Tat Sat 17-23 to 17-27. We shall proceed to study the shloka 17-20 about philanthropy, Danam, which is as follows. Datavyam iti yaddanam diyate nupakarine deshe kale cha patre cha taddanam satvikam smritam. Since this shloka details satvikam danam, it would be good to understand rajasam and tamasam danam also, which are detailed in the next dvau shlokau. Yattu pratyupakarartham phalamuddishya va punah diyate cha pariklishtam taddanam rajasam smritam adeshakale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asatkratam avajñatam tattamasamudarrutam. Padachetaha and Anvayartha for all the three. Yat danam datavyam iti deshe kale cha patre cha anupakarine diyate tad danam satvikam smritam. Yat danam, that gifting, datavyam iti, should be given as such. Deshe kale cha patre cha, with the context of place, time and receiver. Anupakarine diyate is given with no thought of repayment, with no thought of obliging also. Tad danam satvikam smritam. Such gifting is called as chaste gifting. सात्विकं दानम्। यद्दानं तु प्रत्युपकारार्थं फलम् उद्दिश्य वा पुनः परिक्लिष्टञ्च दीयते तत् दानं राजसं स्मृतम्। यद्दानं तु, but that gifting, pratyupakarartham, given with the thought of obliging, phalam uddishyava, or with some ulterior motive, punaha pariklishtancha diyate, and is given with complexities of conditions applicable. Tad danam rajasam smritam. Such gifting is called as rajasam. Yat asatkrutam avajñatam danam adeshakale apatrebhyah cha diyate tat tamasam udarhutam. Yat asatkrutam avajñatam danam. Asatkrutam, having improprieties. Avajñatam, having meanness. Adeshakale apatrebhyah cha diyate. Adeshakale, having improper context of time and place. Apatrebhyah, given to undeserving receivers. Tat tamasam udarutam. Such philanthropy is called as tamasam danam. Swadhyaya. When we think of danam, most commonly we think of gifting money, donating cash. But one cannot donate many things. But one can donate many things. Acharya Vinoba travelled the length and breadth of the country seeking Bhudanam. His basic idea was of land for the landless. I need not go into the status of all the land that was donated. Soldiers at all times do Jivadanam, offering their life itself. Speaking of the army in his camp, Duryodhana says, Madarthe Chakta Jivitaha. So that was all Jivadana. Those who have put their lives at stake for me. There are many organizations offering opportunities for donating for a social cause. The Salvation Army collects household items to distribute to the needy. Motto of Boy Scouts is be prepared for volunteering unto a social cause. The Red Cross Society is also likewise. One important activity of Red Cross has been blood donation camps, Rakta Danam. But from what I know, the truest, most dedicated spirit of volunteership is in Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, founded by Dr. Hedgewar on 27 September 1925, almost completing 100 years in 2025. Main feature of the volunteership is Shramadana. As such, philanthropy, Danam, is good. But the three shlokaha, about 17-20 to 17-22, make clear distinction between Satvikam Danam, Rajasam Danam, and Tamasam Danam. That is very important. Kathopanishad begins with Nachiketaha becoming askance whether the Sarvaveda Shajnaha, his father Vajashravaha, offering everything of his, was appropriate. The reason for Nachiketaha becoming askance was that the cows offered in the Yajnaha were Pitodakaha, no thirst or no energy left to lip any water. Jagdhatrunaha, no desire for grass or no energy left to munch any grass. Dugdhadoha, all milk milched from their udders. I wonder whether there can be any clearer picture of asatkrutam avajñatam danam, which certainly qualifies to be tamasam danam. The COVID-19 pandemic is also bringing to light many stories of selfless service and philanthropy being offered by thousands of individuals. May the creed of Satvikam Danam grow. May God bless them all with Param Shreya. Shubhamast.